Hello and welcome. And yes, it is dark. Why, you ask? Yep, I'll tell you why. I bought a set of Puddle lights for the CyberTruck from Hancho. My friends there sent them to me, and I want to show you what the stock Puddle lights look like here in the CyberTruck. That's why I'm sitting in the dark. Let me set it up, and I'll show you what it looks like as you get out of the CyberTruck. You pull up in your CyberTruck and it's time to get out. You push the little button here, and of course the dome light turns on, but it doesn't really light up the floor. But as you can see, it's okay. If there's a puddle here, I guess you could see it. That's the floor of my garage, by the way. Yeah, the puddle lights that come with the CyberTruck are effective and they're probably fine, but I bet you we can make it even better. Let me show you how to install the Hancho puddle lights. I'll install one here and then cut to the chase and let you see what it looks like. This is the kit you get from Hancho. It's for cyber puddle lights. They call them welcome lights. Like I said, we're going to do one. They come in a left and right pair. The left is on your left side of you. The right is on the right side of you as you sit in the car. Let me pull this out. Can't do it with one hand. Stand by. I've installed stuff that looks very much like this on my other Teslas I bought off of Amazon, but these look pretty cool, and they're specifically for Cybertrucks. Now, I don't know which is left and right. The instructions are not in the box. However, you can probably go online and look at it. But being an engineer and a man, I'm not interested in looking at instructions. So anyway, we're going to go plug one in. Maybe they're universal. Maybe they work both sides. Don't know. Anyway, so here's what it looks like. There's a little black plug. And in this, on the car, you can see the retainer right here, right? Let me zoom it in. So the retainer's by my thumb here. It's a little tab. You push it down in the vehicle and then it pops out. There are two electrical connections inside. You can kind of see here. I'll zoom in a little bit right there. And you got to be careful when you plug it in. You don't want to miss it. Okay, so procedure 2. Car, you go down to safety. You scroll all the way to the bottom. And you turn the power off in the CyberTruck, okay? Leave the door open, grab your tool, and crawl on the floor. To do this job, you're gonna need some kind of pry tool. You can try your little plastic trim tool or whatever you call it. They're kind of wimpy. I have a very small screwdriver and then a medium screwdriver. Let's have a look here. Okay, so here's the light. As you can see, there is a pry hole right here and not there, okay? So I'm gonna take the medium screwdriver without damaging the trim. See if I can get it right up under here. Carefully pry down, and voila, pops right out. Okay, now what I told you before is this little clip. You see it? It's clips into the light. Screwdriver will carefully go right here where my fingernail is in the slot, pushing down the retainer, and then it slides right out. Do not jerk on this. You'll have to take it to Tesla service, okay? See if I can do that live. Okay. So like I said, I'm going to take the screwdriver, I'm going to stick it right in that slot, right there. Very carefully. I don't twist it, I just push on it. And it depresses the retainer, you see, and it pops the light right out. We're going to reverse the procedure. We're going to take this and we're going to plug it right in. And there is our light. There you go. Puddle lights. Awesome looking, easy to install. follow the instructions on the Tesla website, or do what I did, which I followed their instructions. It's pretty easy to do. Just about anybody can do it. You just got to take your time, crawl around on the floor, and have fun doing that. There's a link down in the description. It'll give you a discount. Go ahead and click it, and it'll take you to a discount page. If you like today's video, give me a like. Don't forget to pass it on to your friends. Please subscribe. I'd certainly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next video, and take care.